अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज जो टर्म मैं आपके साथ यूज़ करने जा रहा हूँ वो है लिंग्विस्टिक स्कूल्स ऑफ थाट। देयर आर टू मेजर लिंग्विस्टिक स्कूल्स ऑफ थाट्स, मेंटलिज्म एंड बिहेवियरिज्म। बोथ schools of thought express their views about language acquisition. Behaviorism. The behaviorism theory, also known empiricism, behavioral theory, stimulus response theory, and behaviorist theory. Behaviorism is a theory of language based on idea that all behaviors are acquired through conditioning. Conditioning occurs through interaction with environment. Theoretical assumption of behaviorist theory. Language learning is a habit information resembling formation of other habits. In other words, language is learned in way in which other habits are learned. Language learning is nothing more than acquisition of new behavior or knowledge. It takes place when experience or practice causes a change in person's knowledge or behavior. Only human beings have capacity for learning language. Types of behavioral learning. First is conditioning. Conditioning was first described by Russian psychologist Ivan in 1903 through his experiment on dogs. General idea of Pavlov's experiment is this. Pavlov presented dogs with food to examine their salivary response. He rang a bell just before serving the food. At first, dogs didn't salivate until food is served. However, when bell was rung at repeated feeding sound of bell alarm caused dog to salivate. Food unconditioned stimulus to salivation. Unconditioned response. Food plus bell. Conditioned stimulus salivation. Unconditioned response. Bell. Conditioned stimulus salivation. Conditioned response. Weston believed that humans are born with a few reflexes and emotions, reactions of love and drag. All other behavior is established through stimulus response association through conditioning. Reinforcement. Reinforcement is a stimulus encouraging activity that increases the occurrence of response. In follows reinforcement can be classified into following types. Positive reinforcement. Positive reinforcement is encouragement of a desired response behavior by a pleasant stimulus. It increases probability of reoccurrence of same response to same situation. For example, if child produces a desired result which is appropriate to situation, mother will reward him/her with smile, hug, or food. This reward will encourage him to repeat same response to same situation. Negative reinforcement. Negative reinforcement is the discouragement of an undesired response behavior by an unpleasant stimulus. For example, if child produces an utterance which is inappropriate to situation, he/she will not be rewarded. Consequently, child will not repeat same response to same situation. Punishment is used to erase undesirable behaviors by presenting a distressing stimulus when behavior occur. Punishment can be classified into two types. Positive, negative. Positive. An undesirable stimulus is received after behavior occurs. Negative. A desirable stimulus is lost after a behavior occurs.